Have you tried to find it?
La Palma and probably, what would that be, Dale? We're
between Dale and
between Dale and Beach.
And Beach. And or Stanton.
Yeah.
Or Stanton, yeah. Dale and Stanton, Dale.
There's a cold.
Huh? Did you find it?
Yeah.
The boy. Oh, the boy.
Hey, be careful.
John, it's hot. Yeah, de la engine take hot.
But tired. So many people.
Do you live in a park? Live in a park?
Yeah, close by. This apartment is close by.
You don't have cats, right?
No, I don't.
The neighbors.
I don't know. It's just like not apartments where I live, so they might be.
So it's parking in the street?
Yeah.
301.
I didn't know. This is the first time I ever
You know why they go in? They feel the engine was heat or hot or something?
No, it's been there overnight.
Whose car is it?
It's his car.
My car.
Are you an employee here?
No.
No. He's just here this business, and all of a sudden heard this little cat. He drove here. He's driven here with the cat stuck in the.
I just came here for the bank. Can I put this down?
The hood don't stand up?
It doesn't.
That's very bad. Yeah.
No, it's fortunate.
Yeah. John, the hood don't stay up. It's gonna fall in your head.
Poor thing, I think it's like hurt too.
Maybe. I hope it's not hurt. You find
It's
it?
alive. It's alive, which is a good thing, you know.
Oh my
What
God.
do you think
wants
it
to
is?
get out.
It's in the bumper?
No.
It's in the between those?
Possible.
So what's up?
Okay, it's down there somewhere. Somewhere down.
We're going to send animal control. I called 911.
And they're going to send animal control?
They're going to send animal control.
But do it can be open because
Don't worry, they're gonna come first.
this has to be taken
John,
out.
stand up.
Right. Yeah, well, they say they're coming.
John,
My hand's getting
you
tight.
see it?
Yeah.
Here we go, if you want.
You see it?
Yeah.
Let me see if I could get down there.
It's right over here.
Somewhere.
See it.
Somebody have a key? Take the fender out.
No, not
really
the
don't.
fender. Maybe it's the tire.
John, no, they got no room to go. Only under the car. They got covered.
Oh, I was looking under there and I can't see it.
John,
I got it.
I thought it was a bird.
no, I was thinking what's going on? Maybe baby or what?
You asked me about what my black car, and I go no, and then I thought, what is that, a bird?
No, I just came out and I just like I heard this like cat. Like, where is it coming from? I've been driving here. I've been here.
The time they're coming, let's go to take the money, okay? Okay?
Poor little thing.
Oh my God, I feel so bad. I like animals.
Oh, I know. Well, yeah, it's not your fault. It crawled up there.
Oh, okay.
And then it moved back there when. Oh, baby.
What type of access do you think from the inside recently?
He read that to that.
Yeah, they're talking. There's two.
No, this one.
Just one. There's a baby over here talking.
Somebody here?
Yeah, somebody go to the pet shop. Maybe somebody comes from there here.
Let me go get my purse, and then I'll go over there and see if they know what to do. Okay?
I wish I had tools.
Yeah, you know you might. Somebody said call the fire department.
We did, and they're coming over. They said they on the animal control.
Yeah, this is going apart. This will take forever.
No, there's a fire department right there next to Dr. Park too.
Yeah, it takes forever going apart. Trust me. An hour later, they'll show up.
Oh, that's not true.
I hope. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, only.
For non-emergency, they
That's,
don't.
You were so fast.
Oh, don't blame me. I'm not that bad.
Yeah, there's a cat stuck in my car.
Yeah, where's it stuck?
Stuck right here.
We're annoying. I mean, it makes noise sometimes here, sometimes here.
Right there. There you go.
maybe between the fenders.
Yeah.
Need screw.
I would never have drove in here if I knew there was a cat stuck in my car. It's on field that we could try that.
Animal control, they can come.
Yeah, they're in the
Probably got up underneath there and crawled up in.
No, it was actually over there.
It's on that side?
No, first it was on that side, and then it came in here.
Yeah, they tried to get it out on the front, and then it made its way back here.
No, you cannot do it.
Huh?
See? We're not here. Let him to call.
Oh, he's going to do it?
You call for nothing.
Okay, all right.
You can go. You stay online for nothing.
Okay, all right.
There are
They put
people-
me on,
yeah.
and she works there, so she came with me.
So it was over there.
Yeah.
It was over here at the beginning, and then it moved somewhere
Some
inside.
this kid tried to pick it out because he apparently felt it, then it just ran across. So we think it's a feral cat.
Maybe turn your wheel to the right all the way so you can turn.
No, it's only.
I don't want to turn on the car a car right now.
No, he's not gonna ruin his car.
out.
Really? Okay. All right.
No, that's not the thing. I just don't want to hurt it.
Oh, under the engine, they got plastic to cover the engine protection.
Maybe if you guys
It's been,
go like a tow truck business, they can tow it. I mean, lift it.
11:23.
If the tow truck coming, they
Tow
got
truck
tools.
would be better.
Yeah, if the tow truck coming, they got tools. Special AAA, they're coming right away, less than 30 minutes.
That is weird.
Yeah, I called
It is.
It's been 20 minutes.
I mean, I've been living in the same place for 10 years, and this is the first time this has ever happened to me.
شفت الشخصات هذا العليه اللي على ايده هذا بيسموه شيبر في ناس من شخص مش عارف من ثلاثه كل ما يكون اكثر
Tow truck coming, they got tools. They
عشان
open
تشوف
the
الشركه كيف بيسموه شيبر.
That's a single one. Animal control, they are out of space. They live in different planets.
Yeah, the tow truck.
This is a second police. I think it's a police car.
On right now.
Yeah, and even if they came over here, how are they gonna get that?
The different numbers.
So if anybody has to delay it, gotta have a lot. That's how they lift it up. Yeah, and then they might gonna take the wheel off, and then you can see underneath what they are.
Possibly.
It's better to drive it to Walmart and just have them take some fire.
But you're kind of risking.
I mean, it's not that bad. It's just,
I mean, I don't know what the situation with the cat in there is, but
It might be burned. It's possible.
yeah,
It might be burned. That's the possibility
I
I'm thinking.
wouldn't drive a car like that, but I mean, it's really up to you, whoever does.
Lucky winner.
All right, guys. So good luck. Okay. Sorry about that.
And there she goes. At least you stopped crying.
you turn the wheel. You can turn the wheel. I can get the liner out and probably pull it out.
Can we turn the wheel?
Yeah, turn it all the way to the right.
I'm just eliminate. I'm gonna wait for the animal control just in case.
It's just behind the liner. You have to, there's a few bolts to pull off, and you can pull it back. Another good mountain thing. Good part.
this side now?
Are you able to put it back on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good thing the other guy left. Oh, okay, it's somebody. Oh, there it is. See what that is.
I didn't know they called them Piata. I thought they called them.
I know you are from Santa, you are not from Buena Park Police.
I'm not from Buena Park Police. No, we're
You say
contracted.
before. You say before.
Yeah, we're contracted. Thank you very much. Hopefully this.
But you guys need to like get away from here because that cat's never gonna come out with everybody standing around. No, if everybody's standing around, that cat's not gonna come out.
Oh, can you come here really quick? Just so you can show me which one you saw. Is
Oh, no,
this one right here?
I think so. That's what I
Okay,
think.
we're gonna go with that. We're gonna put a little bit in there, and then leave the rest in the bottom. Once it starts using its nose, then
Yeah, let's just wait. Let's just like clear it out. You can sit over here and just watch on the ground.
We'll go on the street, the other dogs coming on bike. Nobody can go on. So you have to check that you want. By guns, protect.
I'm gonna be in the area.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. So just give us a call back. Now, who did you contact?
My friend, she works for like a cat rescue, like different cat rescues, and she's the one that's gonna come and
Carrier
cover.
with
I'm not sure.
Okay, but
You didn't get it?
No, that's okay.
Oh, you don't want?
yeah, because there's
You see it?
because I called the dealer.
No, I used to the cat, but it's
But I see the tow truck? No,
The tow
because
truck can't do it.
because even if we tow it, the dealership said that it could end up somewhere and it could be bad. So they said if you can get it out there, it's better. So,
No, I'm thinking the tow truck is still left. They're listed.
no, the tow truck won't do that.
They don't want to do
These
that.
people won't do that.
Oh. Yeah, I do the hair
So
and
what do you
then
guys think? Can we take off that
I got my one.
flash guard. It's actually not there because I can see in it. It's not, it's not there.
Yeah, but you know what they told me? They told me if you take off the splash guard, then you can have access to everywhere in the engine. You can get it. I mean, obviously.
Not
here.
really.
What do you mean not really?
Because if you take off the flash guard, it's just.
Should you play that video
And
so
then
that the cat can meow back to itself?
Well,
the crazy guy's talking. All right.
They said Jack, you have to take the flash guard or something, and then you have access to the engine because clearly we've been here forever. And
We've been here forever.
You can't. There's no way to get to the cat here. It's underneath there.
It's in here somewhere, like right here.
But it was over here, so I did run across.
Hey, you want me to like turn on the car?
Start the car. That's
No,
how
no,
it
no,
starts
no,
meowing.
don't start the car. Oh, yes, so you want to. Okay, it's definitely not here for sure. Cause I can.
It was.
He's like in here.
But didn't you guys say it started over there, right?
Yeah, it started over there. We think it somehow crawled that side or that side.
Like through there.
No, yeah, we think it
I
somehow.
just heard it. He's probably in the flash car, but he just moves in.
Yeah.
There, though. Maybe in the bumper. Yeah.
Well, right now he's right here, definitely.
That looks like something you put in your oven.
Well, no, actually, there's no way it could be right here because, like I said, there's no cavity right here. See, my hands are here, so there's no cavity right here for the cat to be in. The only cavity will be in the bumper.
But you heard it over there, right?
I heard it somewhere right. You know what? I'm pretty sure.
That should be in there.
What if you take out the battery? Because I've been hearing a lot of it over here.
Yeah, right there. Is it hard to take the battery out?
No.
Oh, no, batteries come out easy. We should have done that to begin with, right?
Yeah, but I didn't have the tools.
But you guys have to make sure that we, like, grab the cat. We don't want it running around, like, here. Oh, you have a good video?
I'm recording
You
it.
guys don't have the name of your company on your shirt or anything?
Yeah, it's like they're gonna put it on the news.
Do you have a business card?
Well, if not, we'll have to go get one because if they really do put it up on the news today, then
I'm not even dressed well.
what?
I'm not even dressed well.
I don't want to be on there. I just want my group on there. Are you getting it, Daisy?
Yeah, it's on video.
I can't see my phone.
You see it?
Meow in a second ago.
Meow. How big is the cat? Yeah, we think it's a kid.
We think it's a
It's like a little baby.
We can't see it. Nobody saw it. Because you can pull the splash cup underneath, you can't see it. He's not in the cavity. No! Come on. Got it?
Don't hurt
Got it?
him.
We're not.
Seems like there's more than one.
No, that's him. The whole family. Come on.
He's in the fender.
I feel you. Yeah, he's right there. I see him. Oh, we can see him. I see him. It's okay. Ve que te dije que ahí estaba. Ahí no. I just hope I don't run out of battery.
I'll jump you guys. We got cables, no Justin? Use those at home.
We have a cable. Oh, there it is. I see it. Yeah. It's right here. I know. I see it. Don't put your hand in it.
Don't put your hand.
Yeah.
We see it now.
You see it.
There's one in there.
No. Oh, there it is. Can you just take it out? No.
No.
There's
only one.
No, that's him. That's him. That's all the cat. There you go. Hey, no. This is under here. Hey, this is a cavity right here. Yeah, right here. Right now, when I'm back a little bit. Can we just push the cat inside this little cavity right here? We'd have to entice him out. Can you put in your hand and got it? No? No, because it's off. There you go. Right here. Right there. No, hold on. Come on. Hey, poke him up. Hold on. Come on.
No, es que si le no se va para adentro.
No, he's not gonna come out. You have like a blanket or a
T-shirt, towel.
We got dirty clothes in there I can have. We got some stuff. You can keep it. Find a towel, a bag, something. Did they see him? I guess
What?
he's looking for something in the back. Justin, just use the
Yeah,
bag.
he's right there. Look up.
Grab a bag, a towel to grab the cat.
He's right there. Don't hit. Actually, don't use him. Go, push him forward. Go. Right there. Come on. There we go. Come on, kitty. Come on, kitty. Come on, buddy. He got me. Oh. Got it.
Oh. Thank God.
Oh, yes.
Say thank you here. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Beautiful, guys. Oh, my goodness. God bless everyone. My buddy right now.
Yeah. Let's leave him there. Let's go.
Daisy, she said she was I'm sure she doesn't want
Hey, wait, I'm going to get to the bed.
I got two cats. I can't. Oh, my cat.
Yeah. Get ready to take it to the bed.
Oh, baby. Oh, you little rascal.
I'm going to take it to the bed. Make sure it's not hurt. God bless you. Wait, like, I want to get your number and stuff. The cat is like freaking out. He can't be more. Put him in the carrier.
Good survive. Guy.
These guys.
Right on, right. You think you can't pull that up? Oh, okay.
Daisy, where's the news media?
I need to write
I'll record.
It's not a put this on YouTube.
It's gonna be on.
I recorded it. I took it out. I cut it.
Yeah.
And I grabbed it from the hand.
Yeah.
Okay.
I called her.
Thank you, guys. What channel? I'm not going to say, please don't want to for your... No? Okay. But we have... Oh, because
We're actually an auto shop.
right, is that yours, Santa?
No, it's box.
This is a guy.
Auto repair?
No, not Manila.
Team Automotive. Entire center.
And who's this? It's not your...
No.